Hi guys! Ayan, samahan nyo ako mag-book tayo ng ticket. Let's start with going to Philippine Airlines. Tapos, malalaman na rin natin dito guys kung gaano ka-bilis yung website nila. Ayan. So, we're gonna pick one way. And then, I'm gonna book to Puerto Princesa. Okay, PPS. That's on Saturday, December 3. One way lang. So, it's done. One passenger economy class search. Yan. Ilang seconds din yan naglo-load. So, Philippine Airlines. Check naman dito sa website nyo. Mag-debug kayo. Ang tagal, oh. Diba? Which is dapat hindi ganyan katagal. Brighter natin. That's the brightest that I can get view. Yan. Okay. Ang sabi dito sa pinapabook sa akin, it's for 5:30 a.m. Another loading one. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm gonna put in the details. Okay. Okay, guys. Moving forward, syempre, email address ko. And then, mobile number. Ako din yun. Okay. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 seconds. Now, binibigyan tayo ng option to choose. Yan, not chargeable. Hindi naman daw chargeable. So, kunin na natin. Prepaid baggage. Ba't kaya siya, ang alam ko kasi yung Philippine Airlines, meron na agad yung 10 kilos na free. So, meron nga siya. So, let's add it na lang. Prepaid na lang.
Mama ngayon?
Opo, ma'am. Bumaba. 100?
Magkano ka?
Okay, resume. Continue na natin. Ginawan ko siya ng 10 kilos baggage kasi yun yung request nga niya ng ating passenger. Now, moving forward. Philippine Airlines. Tingnan nyo naman yung loading na yan. Okay. Kayo ning humusga. So, ayoko ng insurance. Okay. So if we're gonna pay with GCash, it's 3,318. That's already for one way. Two details are yan, Manila to Puerto Princesa on December 3, Saturday. This is via Philippine Airlines, PR 2781. Departure is 5:20 a.m. Arrival 6:40 a.m. That's on Saturday. Total fees are 3,316. Let me check. Check-in baggage 7 kilos hand carry, and then nag-add ako ng baggage na 10 kilos. So let's do this. Okay, resume na tayo. Okay, I chose GCash sa ating pagpaprocess ng ticket. Ayan. Confirming the payment. Ayan. Ayan, nagtatanong na siya for the log and pay. Tapos, I have to input it. Okay, click next. Makakatanggap ka. And then, now, papasok mo na yung aking code. And then, magtatanong siya kung okay na sa'yo. And then, i-click mo yung proceed. And it's already approved. This is Manila to Puerto Princesa. Yan, nagre-redirect na siya, guys. Hindi mo siya dapat i-refresh daw. Kasi nga, babalik ka dito sa page na to. Thank you very much, guys, sa pagsama sa akin sa pagbubook ng ticket via Philippine Airlines and sa pagre-review din sa kanilang website. So, shoutout sa Philippine Airlines, guys. Kailangan yung debug ng inyong website kasi minsan matagal talaga siyang mag-load and minsan nagre-redirect somewhere else na hindi ko alam. Okay, guys? Bye!